Once you've gotten all you needed, and that is good germination, onions, and the progress is doing well, you don't need to be very comfortable. You need what you need when you're with onion farming or you have onion seedlings. What you need to avoid is being comfortable. You need always to have a question. You need to always see losing your onions to pests. You need always to see losing your onions to diseases each and every time. That's why I usually call for routine monitoring, daily scouting. Make sure that you scout your onions against pests, against diseases, against environmental conditions, because there are environmental conditions that may end up destroying your onions, against drought, which is poor irrigation, and also last but not least, you need always to check your nutritional disorder. As you can see, the onions look very good, they look very beautiful, but with so many challenges. Each and every day, you need to make sure they are good and they are happy. And for irrigation, apply enough water, not excess water, not under irrigation. Make sure your onions doesn't look withered, doesn't look overwatered. If you apply, you water them, you bring problems. If you don't water them well, you also bring another problem. So as we speak, so far so good. We are maintaining our routine application of phosphorus based foliar. Remember, we did a phosphorus based fertilizer. I used NPK 2323. It's rich in phosphorus, and also you can use DAP, is also rich in phosphorus. As we speak, I'm using phosphorus based foliar. That is what I'm doing on routine basis. I'm using mancozeb metalaxyl to protect it against damping off, and also imidacloprid against cutting insect, and routine irrigation, which is done on a daily basis when it's very hot, after 2 days when it's not very hot. So the weather is what makes us, or is what it dictates when to irrigate and when not to irrigate. So far so good. You can see the onions are very good, they are doing very well, and in few weeks time we are going to the main field and continue their classes. Hope you're learning, hope you're getting the concept when it comes to onion seedlings or onion farming management, and I want to make you a better farmer. And for you to be a better farmer, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Be a member of this YouTube channel. By becoming a member, you support my work, and I continue giving you best of the best content and best of the best training. Bye.